Yo, what's up everybody? It's your main man here, DJ Ron the Mechanic here, back with another video. Hey, y'all already know, look, once you see me in the garage, you already know some work going down. So look, I'm working on a little project right now. So look, I'm gonna give y'all a little glimpse of it, show you what I'm working with. All right, y'all, here we go. We got the Charlie right here, what I'm working on. Y'all see it? This right here is my car club member right here, man. Yes, sir. Y'all see it? This Mr. Predator right here. Yeah, man.
Yeah.
We getting it together there, fun.
Right.
See, this the VP of the crew. So you see I'm doing an audio install for him. Yeah, we gonna get him right. See, I'm doing a little work on the trunk back here. Gonna get it all wired up and everything. So yeah, once I get the box all installed, amp ready, hey look, I'm gonna definitely show y'all the finished product, man. I'm telling you, y'all gonna like it. Now y'all see what color his car is, right? Yeah, we're gonna make the box the same color as the car, so that way when I say it's gonna blend in right, she gonna blend in right, y'all. That is it. So yeah. Y'all definitely stay tuned for this here, y'all. Yeah, buddy. All right, I'm gonna be back once I get everything going. All right. What's up, y'all? Hey, look, we got the Charlie finished. This is the VP of our car club right here. This is Rad. So, like I said earlier, I did a little audio installed in his car for him. See, you got the big screen right there. The Android screen, got everything on it. That's right. So we're gonna take a look at his trunk build. Now I'm gonna tell you right now, he came up with the idea himself for this one here now. So check it out. Yes, sir. You see I got the box installed for him. I wrapped it the same color as his car. Y'all see that? White on black. Now he came up with the idea of the TV right there. So he got a mount, which it sits right there, which it looks pretty good like that though. And then plus it folds down so that way he can close his trunk and still do what he gotta do. And look, he still got room up in here too. See, he can still throw something in there. So I'll probably tell him maybe we can find like some grills for the 12 to cover them so that way it won't nothing hit up against them. So yeah. And I got the amp is mounted, is hid behind the box so you can't see it. So all you just see is just the box itself. But overall, man, look, everything look good on here. Y'all see the color transition. See how it blends in? Look at that white and black. All that. Yes, sir. Look, that's his name, Predator, but I got a nickname for him now. The Bumping Predator. That's it right there. Yeah, man. The Bumping Predator. Y'all better watch out for him now. Hey, I'm just saying, don't give my boy noise violation. That's all I'm saying. Don't do it to him now. No. And look, there you go. You can follow him on Instagram. Right there.
Yes, sir.
Make sure you go check him out. Tell him DJ Ron Mechanic sent you over there.
Check me out.
Yeah, buddy. So yeah, man, you gonna be seeing plenty more of this car shows, man. Our group gonna be out there. Yes, sir. There it is, man. It is all done. We cranked it up and it sounds good. So yeah, that is it.
Appreciate my boy for getting me right. Tight.
Yes, sir, man. So I got my VP all right, man. Look, everything good. So, yes, sir. Give y'all another look at the trunk again right quick. Look at that. Man, man, when I say that's like a perfect blend, man, y'all can't beat that. Look at that. Yes, right. Sir.
You want me to cut that music on for a second?
We'll have to do like some non-copyright stuff, but yeah. That is it, y'all. So, all right, look, me and the VP, we about to clean up all this mess we made down here. So, yeah, job is done. And it is cleanup time now. Look at that. Ooh, yeah, we got work to do. But that's all right, y'all. Hey, look, one time for the one time. Got to show the car club right there. There it is. Holla at us. Yeah, man. All right, y'all. It's DJ Ron the Mechanic. Hey, look, make sure you like, comment, and subscribe to the channel. And don't forget to turn on that notification bell. So that way you won't miss out on a video when I drop it. All right, y'all. Hey, look, I am out. It is cleanup time. Later.